Hi there! Today we are going to make a landscape drawing. Let's start by making it on the next page. At first, we are going to draw 4 dots and then join them. It is advisable to join it without a scale. Yes, that is how a freehand practice will happen. Once we are done with that, let's start by making a sleeping line and dividing this into 2 equal parts. Next, we are going to start making the triangles. How many sides does a triangle have? Yes, you're right. A triangle has 3 sides. Then we will make the bushes and the land. After which, we will start by making these beautiful mountains. If you notice, we are going to draw this very lightly at first, as if we make a mistake, it gets easier for us to erase it. Next up, we are going to give a few layers to our Christmas tree. Let's go ahead by making this part. Well, if you notice, this Christmas tree or this normal tree looks very big. Do you know why so? Because it is closer to us and hence the things which are closer to us appear to be bigger. And the things away from us appear to be smaller. Hence, these 2 trees which are right here look a little smaller, as they are away from us. Yes, you're right. Complete making these trees in a similar way. And after that, let's start by making these bushes. This looks interesting. After that, let's make another tree right here. This looks beautiful. Go ahead by making this nicely. And then let's make these beautiful birds. After that, let's make these zigzag lines for the grass. And then make this section as well. Yes, this is land, you're right. Let's make these ovals for the flowers. And then make the stem. That's lovely. We will now go ahead by making the beautiful drawing with the help of our sketch pen. Let's take a black sketch pen and sketch the entire thing. Go right on top of the pencil marks and sketch this properly. We will sketch the entire drawing in a similar way. Let's go ahead and make this properly right on top of the pencil marks. These zigzag lines are difficult to follow, hence you can make them according to you with the help of your sketch pen. Make the flowers fair now. And then do the outline slowly and nicely. This looks amazing. Now we will take our eraser and erase all the extra pencil marks we see after sketching. Well, this is the sun right here, and hence the shadow is going to form on the right hand side for the big tree. And here the light is falling, hence the shadow will be formed here. So let's start by shading this drawing nicely with the help of the tree. But first, let's make this beautiful cloud right here so that we can do a nice trick. Do you want to know what that is? Then let's cut this together and I will show it to you. Let's take this cloud and put it right here. After that, we are going to take our blue color and do the edge. Once we are done coloring the edge, we are going to place it here and then start by spreading the color upwards. Make sure your cloud does not move so that your entire drawing looks interesting. And look at that! This is such a beautiful way to make the clouds. Can we do this together? That's brilliant! Once we are done with the clouds, we can take our light blue color and start coloring inside right here. And after that, let's smudge it with our fingers. Well, this looks very interesting. After that, let's take grey color and do a few patches right here. We will go ahead by making these patches in the mountain and then use blue color to do it right on top of it. After that, we will slowly and nicely start smudging it with the help of our fingers. And our mountains are ready. Next up, let's take grey color and do these lines properly. These are ice-capped mountains, hence they are a little bluish grey in color. After that comes the fun part. We are going to start coloring this entire tree. Select the color which you want, which is a dark green color at first. After that, let's use light green color and merge it with this. Just like how I mentioned earlier, the right side of the tree is darker and the left side of the tree is lighter. This is because the sun's rays are falling on the left hand side and the shadow is being formed on the right hand side. And now let's do the bushes as well, but with the help of different shades of green. The entire drawing looks so attractive, isn't it? Yes, that is because we are using different shades of green in this. Continue coloring this in a similar way. That's beautiful. Remember that you need to do an outline first and then color inside in one direction. After that, let's take a dark green and do the outline for this bush. And then let's take a light green and start coloring inside. This looks very interesting. Now let's take brown color and do this part. And after that, do the outline of this section with brown color. let's take pink color for the flowers. At first, we are going to take a dark pink color and then blend it with a lighter pink. Next up, we are going to take light green color and do the outline and color inside. And then use yellow color for the sun. Finally, let's do the water body with the help of a blue color. Yes, we are going to do the sides with blue color at first. Very slowly and lightly. Let's try and get these lines inwards and then smudge it with the help of our finger. And look at that, our drawing is ready and we made it with the help of these 3 steps. That's amazing!